Hello. What's up guys, my name is Shockz. Welcome to another tutorial after a long time. Today I'm going to teach you your favorite sound, Liproll. Actually the basic Liproll today. I promised you if we reach 250 subscribers, I will upload this video at the exact same moments that I reached 215 subscribers, and today I reached it and I'm uploading this video. And thank you so much for subscribing me, for supporting me and watching my videos till here. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please do that now by clicking on the subscribe button down here, and support me with anything you can. Like this video, hit the notification bell, share this video with your friends, and enjoy the video. Okay, as you know, my lip rolls are actually very well. I'm one of the best lip rollers in the world. So now I'm going to teach you how to do that sound, that creepy sound, and that makes everyone, wow, what's that? First of all, I should name some of the best beatboxers that do Liproll very good. The first of them is Napom, my lovely beatboxer. I love him and I learned Liproll from him because I watched a lot of videos of him. See, he's my lovely Napom. And another beatboxer I can name is Dilo, and a lot of more beatboxers, but these two are very good at Liprolls. And Cutfish has a very unique kind of Liproll for himself that even I and Napom can't do that kind of Liproll. Liproll has lots of variations. I don't know the exact name, but the day I want to teach you, I will tell the name. For example, this is the basic one. This is the bass one, and this is unique for Napom. I call this liquid Liproll, and I think the name is liquid Liproll. It's outward Liproll, and a lot of more variations, and you can do a lot with this sound, and it doesn't take any air, the basic one, and nothing, just a suction on your lips. Okay, without wasting the time, let's go and learn that sound. First step. Drink water. Always stay hydrated, beatboxers. Please stay hydrated. Second step, before starting learning this sound, know that it's a very hard sound. It takes a very long time to learn that, but it's worth it because it's a very nice sound and you can use it a lot in your beats.
Okay, now let's go to the real steps.
Step number 1. Choose one side of your mouth, right side or left side. I do with my right side, but a lot of beatboxers do with left side, and some of them with both positions, but that's a little weird, you know. After choosing your side, now it's time to go to step 2. Let me eat something first. Step number 2, drop your jaw like this. Not a lot, but something like this. If you chose your right side, so you should drop your jaw to the left side, something like this. And if you chose the left side, so obviously you should drop your jaw on the right side, like this. But I can't do that, but let's go for the right side. And what's the thing for dropping the jaw? It's because for making a better sound of Liproll and give it a room for having a better sound. If you don't drop your jaw, it will sound something like this. But if you drop your jaw, it's deeper, heavier, you can understand the difference. Okay, step number 3. In this step, don't use your breath, don't use any air, no suctioning of air, just the pressure on the corner of your mouth. Try to drag your lips inward, like this. At first, you might sound something like this. But if you make it so tight, it's the zipper sound. Don't make it very tight, just something like this. And by the time, after a long time you practice, it's going to be something. It's going to be something like this. I know that's a little weird. You say, wow, what's that? How can you do that? It's not even similar to it when I'm practicing, but after a long time of practicing, I'm telling you, after a long time of practicing. It took me 1 month to reach this sound, and 3 months to this, and 1 year to this. So try to practice that. No air. I'm telling you, no air. The basic Liproll is no air. This was the 3 steps, but I have a trick that can help you to learn it a little bit faster and easier. And the process of it is going to be more fun, and you can have fun in that process. In the exact position, and I told you for the inward Liproll, do that outward. You know, something like this. At first you sound something like this, I think. But I'm telling you, outward is going to help you a lot to learn the inward Liproll. Shockz is the best in everything. And don't practice a really specific thing. Be unique for yourself. Make your sounds unique for yourself. Try different things. For example, Titan Liproll or widen Liproll. I'm not sure. This is the Titan one. And this is the widen one. If you know the lip isolation, you can do that sound a little bit easier, I think. So when you get the sound down, now let's go for some practice to make it much better for you to learn that Liproll. Okay, the first and the easiest practice. Now another practice. It's a PS snare or a kick and a Liproll. This practice is for making your lips used to that sound. Your lips should use to that sound, not you. What am I saying? Get used to that sound. Okay, now the medium practice. That was a kick, a PFS snare and Liproll. Okay, now the second medium beat. I want to add a hum to the Liproll that you can hum and Liproll together when you are making a beat. Or you can add a bass to it. Okay, now let's go to the advanced one, the first advanced beat. You are enjoying, aren't you? Okay, the last advanced practice. I hope you learned the basic Liproll. It's a very fun sound. You can do a lot with it. Go and watch Napom videos. He's the god of Liproll in my opinion, and he do a lot of Liprolls. After this tutorial, I'm going to upload the other variations of Liprolls if you like them, and a lot of more tutorials after that. If you enjoyed this tutorial and if you learned something, please let me know in the comments down below, and if you have any questions, ask me, I will answer you. And if you want more tutorials, the next tutorials for Liproll and anything else, or reaction videos or anything, just tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Take care, drink water, have a nice day.